Hello, good morning, and welcome to Here Today, Where Tomorrow. My name's Rob, and I'm excited to welcome you to our channel that's all about cruising. Consider this channel your passport to exploring the world's most beautiful destinations from the comfort of a cruise ship. If you've ever dreamed of setting sail on a cruise or are just curious about the cruising lifestyle, this place is for you. This channel is dedicated to everything cruising, whether you're new to the world of cruising or a seasoned traveler. You'll find valuable content that covers every aspect of cruising, from expert tips to stunning ship tours, destination guides, and much, much more. Our goal is to bring you along on the journey, giving you the inside scoop on what it's like to cruise in style. On this channel, we deep dive into reviewing the latest cruise ships, giving you detailed walkthroughs of their incredible amenities, from the expansive pools or thrilling water slides to high-end dining and entertainment options. But it's not just about the ships, it's about the places that they'll take you. Each video will feature destinations all over the world, from sunny Caribbean islands to the rugged beauty of Alaska. We'll share tips on the best excursions, hidden gems in each port, and how to make the most of your time on land while you're cruising. For those who are planning their first cruise, we've got you covered with helpful videos on everything from packing tips to understanding the cruise experience. And for our fellow cruise enthusiasts, this channel is a community. It is a space to share stories, ask questions, and get excited for your next adventure on the high seas. So whether you're looking for an inspiration for your next cruise or simply want to experience the magic of cruising from home, this channel will take you there. My name's Rob from Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and we will see you there.